Om Namo Narayan. Dear friends and colleagues, in my last video, we discussed which planets are responsible for this global pandemic. Going ahead, we will see that Jupiter will pick up speed and then he will move from the sign of Makara or Capricorn and then stepping into Aquarius or Kumbh Rashi, and after that he will move into the sign of Pisces. So looking at the coming 1 or 2 years, the disaster that has happened now, not in terms of the medical terms or not in terms of the recovery from the diseases, but the overall slowdown that has occurred, the economic slowdown or the employment problem or the retail and electronic industries, all these things will not gain speed immediately after Rahu has moved into the Mrigashira Nakshatra or Jupiter's transit into the Kumbha or Aquarius. Even that is not going to help. So what will happen is this slowdown is basically an introspection. Saturn, who is the Karma Karaka and the Dukkha Karaka, he is forcing people to rethink their strategy, rethink what they are doing to this environment, rethink what they are doing to the animals. Saturn is a Karaka for the animals too, and couple of birds like owls, bats. If we remember that Saturn has made an audit of the 12 Rashis and he has come back to Makara, and he is going to make everyone rethink their strategy in life, then we realize the importance of Saturn. In my last video too, I stressed the importance of Saturn. Saturn is a slow moving planet. He is the Karma Karaka, Dukkha Karaka, and he causes a lot of things. Basically, these sufferings are learnings. But when it comes to the humanity, as Saturn's transit happens every 30 years, we forget these lessons and then we go into the Maya of Rahu. So please take this time and analyze yourself. If you are a company, rethink your strategy. Try to help the employees. If you are running a factory, think about the welfare of the laborers. And if you are running a nation or if you are running a state as a CM or a PM, try to help as much as possible to those people below the poverty line. And that way Saturn will be happy. And you have learned the lesson given by the Saturn. Jai Sriman Narayan.